here from the CASA MATTEI Speakeasy. A labor of love that a lot of you know, a lot of you visited, some of you haven't. You need to come and visit once this craziness is over. But like I said, labor of love took me over 6 months to build this thing. But I can't say, I built this from scratch and I'm very proud of it. A lot of work, a lot of heartache, had it done, I'm happy about it. But as you see all this alcohol, there's all these libations before you, I can't say I stocked those up all by myself. I have a lot of great friends and family, people that come to visit, people that come and enjoy the speakeasy. They bring me a lot of these libations, and I want to focus on that. I want to use some of the donations my friends and family have brought over, and I'm going to make a couple drinks for you tonight, if that's cool with you. So I figured we're going to do vodka tonight. So I came up with 3 recipes. We're sticking with vodka. I talked to you about at 6 o'clock about doing suggestions. We'll do other nights. So you send me some suggestions, because I don't have a computer. I can't read what you're saying. You send me some suggestions. I'll do a whiskey night. I'll do a gin night. I'll do a rum night. And I might actually do an absinthe night, because that's a little crazy, and that's how I roll. So let's get started. The first drink, simple, one of my favorite, people love it, is the pomegranate martini. So let's get that one going. So, simple enough, we'll get some ice in there. All right, so 2 ounces of vodka. So let me find my vodka. First shout outs to my buddy Chuck. Always brings the bottle of Absolute. Thank you, Chuck, brother. All right, we're gonna start with 2 ounces of Absolute vodka. So we're gonna put that baby in there. Got 2 ounces. Don't tell anybody. Put that away there. And then we're gonna come around with our pomegranate liqueur. I bought that. I don't know, whatever. We're gonna do another 2 ounces of that. Yeah, that's beautiful. Get a little shot more. Shh, don't tell anybody. All right. Then we're gonna come with some Cointreau, some orange liqueur. Shout out to Dana. Brought me this gorgeous bottle of Cointreau. So we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce. Actually, we're going to make it a 1 ounce. We're going to do a 1 ounce of the Cointreau for this one. Oh, that's nice. There we go. That takes care of that. And I squeezed some fresh lime. I'm just going to give it a little tang, a little bit of Florida feel. I'm just going to give it a little dash. Let's catch that baby up there. Let's check it out. Let's shake it up. A lot of things jiggle when I'm shaking. It's embarrassing. It's not my fault the gyms are closed. You know it. I know it. I'd be so svelte. You know that's a lie. Anyway, let's get a martini glass. Get a little CASA MATTEI Speakeasy coaster. Let's get that baby out there. Oh, yes, that's. We're going to finish that off with a lime wedge and a little one of these bikini girls from my buddy Zanetta. She's not on Facebook, but a shout out to my girl Zanetta. And that's a pomegranate martini. Cheers, everybody. That's good. Okay, let's move on. So, as you people may or may not know, first of all, I gotta clean this out. Let's just get this over here. Hold on, there's garbage can. Got it. I'm an Italian descendant. My mother's from Rome. So I cook a lot of Italian stuff. Hence, I always have fresh basil around. To make my caprese salad, I make fresh pesto, and I have all this basil. I said, I want to make a drink that utilizes basil. So I came up with this, found this drink on the internet called the Vodka Basil Smash. Never made it before. I'm making it for you guys now. So I got my little cheat sheet. We're going to get started on that. Again, we're doing the ice. And that takes, you're going to do a lot of basil, they said. At least 15 liters. Ah, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. I'm going to put that in there. I missed one. Get it in there. Well, you got some simple syrup. Where are you? I make this at home. This is just melting water, with our local sugar. It's that brown stuff. It's the good stuff, not that refined white crap. So that's going to get 1 ounce of simple syrup. I'm going to put that in there. Now we're going to hit it up. 2 ounces of vodka. I'm going back to my buddy Chuck with some Absolute. We're going to do 2 ounces of that. There we go. It's beautiful. Then we got the lime juice. We're going to do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Very nice. All right. I'm going to do a little muddle action going on here. Try to get that all nice and sexy. Turn that up. Splashing all over, but that's all right. All right. That looks good. Let's cap this baby. We're going to use, let's see. There we go. Let's get this guy up with some ice. That looks beautiful. Okay, set this guy up here. Let's get this guy going. This might be too big of a glass for this, but like I said, it's the first time I made it. Not bad. Okay, it's got some coloring in it. You see those colors going on. All right. And then we're going to finish it off. I learned this, I was at a bar a couple of years ago. I watched this gal, she showed me how she took a whole basil leaf in her hand. She put it there, she smacked it. I go, what's, you're mad at the basil? She goes, no, it breaks it up, it breaks through the cellulose or whatever, and it releases the flavor. And yes, it does. It's very nice. And we're just going to put that baby in there. And that is a vodka basil smash. Let's take a sip. You can taste the basil. It's beautiful. I've never had this before. Really nice. All right, moving on. Let's keep it going, people. Our last drink for the night. We're doing a kinky pink martini. And this is a shout out. Get rid of that. Shout out to my buddies Vicky and Marie, who brought me over our last little party we had before this world went crazy. They brought me over this kinky pink. It's a passion mango liqueur. It's sexy. We got that. Then they brought me over a Grey Goose vodka. I had a couple drinks before we started. I'm just saying, a little crazy. Let's get this one going. So what do we need? Oh, hold on a second. I got basil in here, so I need to wash this out. Hold on. I'm back. It's good. Okay, let's get it going, people. Let's do the ice again. How's my hat? Hold on a second. Hold on. Looking fabulous. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to start with 2 ounces of this kinky pink. Let's get this going. There you go. We got 2 ounces of that, baby. Put that to the side. 2 ounces of Grey Goose vodka. Nice. We're going to get in here with this is my pineapple juice. We're going to do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And then we're going to hit it with 1 ounce of cranberry. I just splashed all over the place. No, whatever. Boom. There you go. I'm going to give this guy a nice shake. It's all nice and cold. Get this out of the way. Let's see. What we're going to use today. Here we go. Let's use this baby here. It's going to look probably the same color as that, by the way, but it's different flavor. It's all good. A little bit lighter pink. Oh, here we go. And what the heck? I'm going to give it 2 lines. So there's our cakey pink martini. And it tastes fabulous. Awesome. Thanks everybody for tuning in on these crazy times. I'll be back again tomorrow at 8 p.m. Tomorrow is gin night. My buddy Tabby got me into gins. I was never into gins, so we're going to feature his bulldog that he brought over to me last time. Shout out for Tab. And I'll see you guys next time, 8 o'clock. Stay safe. Don't be crazy. Stay home. Make cocktails. Just enjoy yourself, and we'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Take care.